Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to do today's video because today I have partnered up with an online glasses company called Zeelool. Now, Zeelool has so many different styles of glasses. I mean, I was blown away. I've been buying prescription glasses for over 20 years. So I've been in the market, I've checked out so many different sites trying to save, and the quality most of the time just is not there. Or you get them and they're nothing like the picture, you know? Zeelool though, it's amazing, okay? They have so many styles that you can actually upload a photo of yourself and try on all these different styles, and they're so affordable. I've seen frames going as low as $1, and I think the most expensive one I seen was about $50. Okay, they're different lenses that you can get. You can get the standard lens with single vision, and it ranges anywhere from $7 up to $168 depending on the thickness that you want. They also have the Beyond UV blocker lenses, the ones that help with blocking the UV, the blue lights from your different devices. Those range anywhere from $37 up to $103. And then they have the photochromic lenses, also known as transition lenses. The ones that turn into sunglasses when you go out into the sunlight. Those, they come in gray or amber, and they range anywhere from $39 up to $168. So I mean, really, you can get some pretty cheap glasses. You can get probably 4 or 5 pair for the price that you would get one pair for buying it from your actual eye doctor place. So I mean, yeah. And if you watch till the very end of the video, I can share with you a little way that you can save even more money off of your order. If you're in the market for some new, fun, amazing prescription glasses, or if you just want to get some glasses as an accessory, you can also get these with just clear, regular lenses with no prescription in them, which would make them even cheaper, obviously. But yeah, let's hop right in and show you the glasses that I have. They sent me, very generously, sent me 6 pair of glasses. So we're just gonna hop into it and I'll show you what they are. The first pair of glasses I want to talk about are the ones that I'm wearing right now. These are the Canada Cat Eye Glasses in the color Light Tortoise. These are on for $37 Canadian right now, so that's an amazing price. Let's zoom in. You have to see the colors in here. Oh my goodness. It has the pink, almost like see-through pink going around, and then it has the brown tortoise on the top. It is the cat shape, which I actually love. And then the arm is a gold color. I think these are my favorite pair. They just bring out everything. They're a perfect accessory to any outfit. Yes, I like these ones. The next pair of glasses I want to talk about are these, okay? These are oversized, they're cat eye, they're so much fun. These are the Era's Cat Eye in the shade color black and gold, and these are on for $39 Canadian right now. Let me show you guys these a little bit closer, okay? Look at the detailing. They have this amazing black cat eye that goes up, and then in here there's a space, and then they have the lens actually smaller in there, and it's wrapped in gold. Has this amazing gold nose piece, and then it's just the black here. But yes, these are so big and they're just so much fun. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun rocking these with different outfits, definitely. Alright guys, these ones right here, I wanted white glasses. I just did. All my glasses, I've just always gotten black glasses my entire life. So I really wanted to step out of my comfort zone with the shapes and the colors. So I finally did it. I got a white pair. This is the Sydney Cat Eye in the color gold. These are on for $37 right now. Let me zoom you in. As you can see, it is again a cat eye, but they're not as big. And I have a really small face, so it's fun to see all these different shapes and sizes and how they're looking. I love this. The white and the gold, they're sturdy. They feel really nice and they're not heavy. They don't feel like they're gonna weigh down my face. And I mean, I can shake my head and they're not sliding down my face, so that's amazing. Really like this pair. So happy to have a white pair of glasses in my life. All right, these ones are also like the oversized, rounder cat eye. These are the Carlton Cat Eye in the color gold. These are actually on sale right now for $16. I knew that I wanted to get like a thin metal frame glasses, and I just love these. I have all of my piercings. I've got my lip ring, my eyebrow ring, and I think that the metal frame just really kind of brings in all of my other jewelry that I always have going on. Yeah, these are like almost as a favorite as the first tortoise pair. I love these. I'm going to rock these. Yes, these are a must. If you are looking for glasses that are a little bit different than what everyone else is wearing, these are awesome. All right, so those are the 4 pair that I actually got to pick out for myself, and then Zeelool threw in 2 extra pair. The first one here is this amazing purple and green. I didn't think I would like the color, but I actually love it. And depending on what color of eyeshadow you're wearing that day, you can make a whole eye look accessory out of these colored shades. Seriously. Not shades, but glasses. Anyways, these are the Lucy Cat Eye, and these you will not believe, but these are on for $1.31 right now. A dollar, under $2 for these pair of glasses. And then if you just go get the standard lens in there, $7, you're paying $9, under $9 for a pair of amazing glasses. They're so comfortable. They're so light. They don't slip around anywhere. Like, they're so light you would think that they would slide down your face. They do not do that. They're amazing. Yes, dig in these ones. All right, guys, this is the last pair of glasses. Oh my goodness, okay? When I opened up the box and seen these, I was like, what? There's no way these are gonna look good on me. They are so thick. I mean, let me show you. They're just a wide, thick frame. They do have a bit more weight than the other pairs do, but they're not heavy or anything. But you know what? I love them. I feel like I should be studying something really important in some really fancy university right now. They do. They just make me feel nerdy, but cool nerdy. These are the Riley rectangle glasses in the color brown. These are on for 58% off right now, and you can get them for $19. So let me actually zoom you in a little bit. They have this gray, light gray going around underneath, and then the top half is a brown color. The arm kind of has a weird shape. It kind of almost goes like diamondy right there. They are so much fun. I'm gonna just wear these and feel super, super smart. Anyways, guys, those are the 6 pair of glasses that I got from Zeelool. They're so amazing. If you are looking to add to your eyeglass collection, or if you're just so sick of the pair that you've been hanging on to for the past 3 years, Sister, it's time. It's time to switch them up. Go treat yourself and get some really cheap, amazing glasses. So as promised at the very end of the video, I said I would share with you a way to save some more money. And if you go look into the description box down below, you can sign up through my link and you can save $10 off your first order. Or you can just type in the code MINSBEAUTY at checkout and you can save 10% off your entire order. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be rocking some cool glasses. I'm gonna have some fun videos coming up, different hairstyles, different makeup ideas that you can do with glasses, with different glasses. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at minsbeauty86 because I'm always posting different pictures and looks and stuff on there that you might not always see on this channel here. If you like these videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that bell and set to all so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, I hope you guys all have a fabulous day.